Hello, welcome back. And guess what we're doing? We're unboxing more plants. Why are we unboxing more plants? I don't know. I keep buying them, that's why. But these I feel good about. So up first, this big box from our friends over at Ill Exotics. We talked about them. We went to visit them in Philly. There's a video, and I got a plant from them when we were in Philly, but then I ordered this one online. It's a really exciting one. Let's get in there. Wait, you want to come in? All right, so we've got some tissue, some paper, not tissue, paper on top. And I got first, well, so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It's a moss pole. There are lots of videos on how to make your own. And the one that I saw that looked the best said use sphagnum wrapped in like nicer moss, but I figured I'd try buying one before I made my own, so I went ahead and got a moss pole. And the plan for said moss pole was for my philodendron verrucosum, and you will see in the upcoming houseplant tour what happened to said verrucosum and why maybe I don't need this anymore, but I will definitely find a plant that can use this moss pole. So that was first, moss pole. Now we've got more paper and a plant. Ooh. This is an exciting plant. This is my first time ordering through the mail from Ill Exotics. So let's see how we feel. And here we are. This, I'm sure you all are like, of course that's what you got, is a rhaphidophora tetrasperma. And the internet, like all of a sudden they were everywhere. People were like, oh, they've got rhaphidophora tetraspermas at blah, 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 at blah, blah, blah. They were everywhere. And this, I think, is just like those with the tissue culture juvenile plant, and that is why they look different from what we normally think the rhaphidophora tetrasperma should look like. But let's see. So they've got this taped on top. Okay. And there is a little loose soil. Little loose soil. And a paper towel that is very mildly damp. Well, we can't look at the roots because it's in a pot, but yeah, rhaphidophora tetrasperma. Looks like they cut this leaf, and there are some leaves with fenestrations, but there are leaves without. Okay, came off. There's some browning here, but there are still a couple growth points. I think it looks okay. I think it could look a little better. This leaf is also ripped. There's some browning over here, but this leaf is new, and so is this one, and there's a leaf unfurling here. So I think it'll be fine, but I just feel like it should have looked a little nicer. But yeah, there's a Raphi. Next up is from an eBay seller that I have purchased from before. I will say that both places were very nice because I purchased these plants right before leaving for a vacation, and they were both kind enough to hold them. So we're in our traditional plant shipping triangle box, and we've got some cotton in here, or maybe it's not cotton, but polyester, some type of like, I don't know how to feel about it. Is it cotton? It's not cotton. Some type of polyester, like pillow stuffing. But okay, if it's gonna protect the plant, then that's cool. And here we are with a little sphagnum ball and more cotton. Like I said, I have purchased from this eBay seller before. I don't remember what plant it was. It might have been my original Calathea Worcestershire that died. No fault of the seller. Totally my fault. Rather the fault of spider mites. Anyway, this is a Calathea rotundifolia. Very, very similar to the orbifolia, but with darker leaves. Like it's darker with the leaf itself is more green, a deeper green, and then has darker veining pattern. Calathea rotundifolia. And I do want to open this up and look at the roots. So let's do that. So actually I'm going to hold off on looking at the roots because I'm going to do a repot with me video, because there are a couple of aeroids that I would like to change the soil mixture that they're in. So I'm just going to wait and pop this up, look at the roots in that video. But if it's any, like I said, I purchased from this seller before. The first plant was totally healthy. The leaves on this look actually very impressive. There's like minor yellowing and browning down here at the bottom, but most of the foliage is a really healthy green with like no browning. They're like the tippity tip top of the leaves. It's really pretty. So yeah, so it was a really quick and short haul from Exotics with the rhaphidophora tetrasperma and the, see, now I just said it wrong. She had it listed wrong in the listing. It said alocasia, but I know that it's Calathea. It's Calathea. And the Calathea rotundifolia from Just Planty Things on eBay. Really quick one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.